Bacteria are our past, present, and future. Some of you may have heard that 90% of the cells in our bodies are actually bacteria.
If you replayed the tape of life, if you went back in time and watched events happen again, would the same species evolve? Would there still be plants? Would there be animals? Would there be humans?
3.1 million children die of malnutrition each year. That's nearly half of all of the deaths in young kids around the world.
The terrorist is sleeping next to him, his wife. Bedroom next door, the children. Is it still legal to drop that missile and kill them all?
So let's get to the point. I work on outer membrane modifications in the bacteria that causes whooping cough. Now the only question that should be going through your mind is why? And it comes down to this.